to make a paper airplane. Here's my first model right here. And my assistant,
Cakey.
And me, Ashton. Okay, here goes. Alright, time to show you how to make it. Okay, first rule is go like this. Go like that again. It doesn't have to be exactly the same thing, but I like to do it sharp. And, yeah. Oh yeah, there's something else that you can use.
La la la.
To make it straight, to make it straighter, I suggest you use a ruler to make it nice and flat. Oops. If that happens, just put it back in place, then ruler it out again, then flip it over. I would like you to go like this.
Do it this way. They can't see.
Like you go like this, and then go like that again. Try lining it up if you can. If you can't, then it doesn't really matter. Fold it. I would use the ruler to fold it. To like straighten it out, and then make the wings just like that. And then make the wings. Try to make them the same exact length. Let's test this one out now. Alright. Guys ready? Alright.
Perfect.
That was the end of my channel. Subscribe. Subscribe and subscribe to me, Ashton Da Dude, and my co-host, Cakey. Subscribe.